Cold, sorry. And around this. And what's everything is this thing too. So.
Shampoo.
And we got some everything's candies. This. And we found a package of candies. Oh, let's open it all. Yeah. Well, first I need to open it. Rest and what it's on.
No, that's for tatay medicine and vitamins.
Oh, how do we open this thing? I don't know.
You get a scissor and then you open it.
No, what are the teeth? There's a cover. Oh, okay. Oh, sorry, we need them today.
You say thank you for giving me this.
How do we do this? Here's the.
Oh, just wait for a moment. Oh, ayan na. Oh, open na yan.
I'll open it. I'll open it. I'll open it.
Hindi, go down ka. Ma-pull down ka.
So, why can't these is whatever you can't use that?
You open it.
Oh, it's open now. Let me open.
What is inside?
I found something enormous. Wait a minute. What's this?
What's the taste?
It's an enormous chocolate. Let's open it. Yeah, that's good. God, that's enormous chocolate melted. Yum. We're Coke on these. Oh. This is the enormous chocolate I ever thrown. A dinosaur's eye.
You brush your teeth after you eat that, okay?
Okay.
Because that tastes so
How? Sweet.
Oh, what will you say to Ate Juliana and Tita Julie?
Oh my God. Thank you.
For
For my enormous chocolate.
and
This.
you love it?
Yes.
Edie, what are you
It's making a
doing?
ball in me.
Ay, naku, that's not the right thing to do. So, ayan po yung chocolate. Maraming salamat po at favorite ng kiddos yan. Tapos, give me that. No. This one, ayan. Cereal jar with chocolate glaze. Ayan. Yummylicious for kiddos. Ayan. So, parang siyang Coco Crunch. Ayun. So, iba lang yung kanyang name. Choco Crunch. Ayun. Tapos, ayan, may shampoo na binigay sa atin. And then, the fish oil. Ayun. Para po ito kay tatay. So, 30 capsules of gel, 1,000 milligrams per capsule. So, ito siya. Ayan, fish oil. So, ganyan po siya. So, para po ito sa mga bones. Ayan, asan na ba ang label niya? Let's read it. So, ayan po yung nutrition facts. So, meron siyang calories and cholesterols. Ayan, total protein. Fish oil, 1,000 milligrams. Natural vitamin E, 1 milligrams. DHA, 240 milligrams. EPA, 360 milligrams. So, ayan po siya. So, recommended use, take 1 soft gelatin capsule per day as recommended by physicians. If you are taking prescription medicine, please consult your physicians or healthcare professionals before taking this product. for adult use only, not recommend for children, pregnant, and lactating women. So, ayan po yung binigay sa atin na fish oil for tatay. No, it's for adult only. And then, this one is iron. Ayan. So, anti-anemic. So, yung iron na to ay meron siyang 105.6 milligrams per tablet. So, let's check inside kung ano yung laman niya. So, maraming salamat po sa free na vitamins. So, ayan siya. Red siya na capsule. Ay, tablets. Tablets to. Pagka ganito, circle tablets. Pagka mahaba, ayun, capsule. Ayun. So, ito, once a day din na iniinom. So, iron, kailangan natin to pampadagdag ng dugo. Lalo na kapag puyat palagi. Ayun. So, ako at si tatay pwedeng uminom nitong iron. So, maraming salamat po sa binigay nyo sa amin. Ayan. So, yung iron, ayan, let's read the indications. Masaan na banda yun? Ito siya. So, asan ang indications? Here. So, each sugar-coated tablet contains pyrosulfate, 325 milligrams, equivalent to 105.6 milligram elemental iron, used for the prevention and treatment of iron deficiency anemia. So, ayan, ang nangyayari kasi kay tatay, kapag kulang siya ng iron, ayun, nagkakaroon siya ng pasa-pasa sa skin. So, pag nagkakaroon siya ng pasa-pasa sa skin, ibig sabihin nun, kulang siya ng, kulang siya. Okay. Kulang na siya ng dugo pagka meron na siyang pasa-pasa sa body. Ganon. So, kailangan niya ng uminom ng iron supplement. So, ayun. Maraming salamat sa multivitamins na to. Iron in fish oil. Rich in vitamin E and vitamins. Ayan. Pyrosulfate. So, ayan. Flex lang po namin. Maraming salamat. Bisayang Madiskarte. Highly appreciated yung iyong malasakit at pagmamahal sa aming sambahayan. Maraming salamat po. That's all for today's video. Thank you for watching. You say bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.